Dogecoin, DOGE, digital money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a cryptographic money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. Doge cost dropped essentially, and its market cap has additionally left its high point. In any case, it is one of the best 15 coins available, and generally speaking return for money invested is around 11,000%. It is additionally really well known advanced coin since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. 2018 was an extreme and negative year for Doge. Comparatively to the next market, Dogecoin cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, regardless of the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin gauge isn't exceptionally brilliant. During the value falls of spring, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however terrible as it seems to be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other cryptographic forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors. The best digital currency to put resources into 2022 for a long haul. Dogecoin pattern examination. Dogecoin prominence was remarkably steady throughout the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying diagram that the coin even figured out how to get a hun-termed Dogecoin spike in ubiquity. The coin was extremely fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less critical pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the ubiquity was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the business emergency happening today. Doge is broadly claimed, and the local area individuals try to involve their Dogecoins in regular day-to-day existence. As of late, added Bitterafil's Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against USD by 3% north of 3 days after the declaration. As per Google patterns, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Scramble, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between ordinary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account, focused on potential cryptographic money purchasers. In it, engineers ask not to capitulate to FOMO and pursue venture choices all alone. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.067. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is $0.073. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.069. Doge Value Gauge for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.063 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.057 and at $0.065, separately. October 2022, Dogecoin Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Doge cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.062, while the greatest could reach $0.067 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around $0.065. Doge value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Dogecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they foresee may be around $0.067 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.064 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.070. December 2022, Dogecoin value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.069 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to $0.073. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.067 in December 2022. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around $0.096. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 12 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.100 in 2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 14 cents and 17 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 15 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Dogecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 21 cents, while its most extreme can reach 25 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 21 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2026, 36 cents and 29 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 30 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of Dogecoin. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical